Hey y'all, today we're going inside Disney's Amorette's. Oh my gosh, I love this place. It is absolutely beautiful inside. They make very fresh pastries and fresh desserts, and oh, it's just amazing. So let's get to the video. Look at the chicken salad croissant. Ham and cheese croissant. Here's the chicken salad one again. Turkey brie. All it's missing is cranberry sauce. Check out the charcuterie one. Is that not meat or what? Look at Thumper. Lindsay loves the creme brulee here. I can't wait to see the Easter eggs.
Yeah.
So that's the taco. No, I don't want anything. Do you want something? This is just a repeat. So we got the rose. It was absolutely beautiful. It was a little different. It did have a raspberry filling inside of it that was pretty good. It was more like a dark chocolate. We were trying to figure out what the dusting was on the outside, but it tasted pretty good. This cheesecake was absolutely delicious. If you go to Disney Springs and you're at Amorette's, go get this cheesecake. It was amazing. Like, it was demolished. And then we have Thumper. Thumper was like a white cake on the inside, and that was pretty much it. He was just plain Jane Thumper. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the comments.